We're going to be going over the main interface on the T9 handheld. Starting at the top of the screen, you'll have your system date and time. Next, you'll have your Create File button, as well as your print settings, your settings, counter, power. Above your power button is where you'll have your battery indicator, and if you have a cartridge loaded, this is where you'll have the ink status indicator. The current message file name is listed here, as well as the current status of the printer. A preview of the message is loaded into the print preview area, and below that you will find basic system information such as the current counter, delay setting, your current DPI setting, and then your start and, if you're in the print mode, stop buttons.